Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to download songs on your iPhone. So let's start. First open the Settings app. Now scroll down and search for Safari. Scroll down and tap on Downloads and make sure that On My Phone is selected. Now close the Settings app and open a browser. Now go to the URL mp3juices.cc. Now search for the song you want to download. And a list of that song will appear. Now tap on Download and you can also play it online if you want to. Now tap Download again. Now tap on Download once again. And if you tap on the download icon on top right corner, you will see that the song is downloading. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.